Hi, I've got another unboxing video for you, and this time it is Look Fantastic. So this arrived this morning and I was greeted when opening the box to this bright orange top. It is amazing. I absolutely adore these colours with the gold writing on top as well. Such a cool box. So if you're new to Look Fantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It is a beauty subscription box and it's a monthly box. So it costs £15 a month, and with that monthly option you are free to cancel at any time. Obviously there will be a specific date you'd have to cancel by, so I'll find that out and I'll link that down below. As with all the other products that are mentioned in this video, I will seek them out and I will link them down below. I'll also put in comments whether they're full size and sample size, and I'll put up their cost as well, because we get a little leaflet explaining about all the products inside our month, but it doesn't tell you whether it's a full size or sample, and it doesn't tell you the cost. So I like to find all that out. So if you're interested to see that, just click on the show more and that'll bring up the description, as well as links to the website and links to subscribe using my code as well. So that'll all be down there if you're interested. You have got the option then to take out a subscription for, I think it's 3 months, 6 months and then 12 months, and that would bring down your cost by a couple of pounds. So I opt for the monthly because that gives me the freedom to be able to cancel whenever I want if something's coming up and I need to have a bit of a break or something like that. So I've got that freedom, so I like that. So inside you get a mix of skincare, makeup and hair care products. You get 6 items and you get a leaflet, which is like a little mini magazine, and you get an Elle magazine, which I will show you as I open it up. So let's open it. So inside every box you get a new word to learn every month. So it's inside here. Ooh, not sure if you can see it. So what's this say? Hanyoku, and it's the act of walking on tiptoes on warm sand. Hanyoku. There you go. So these are the little leaflets I was telling you about in the magazine. So this is the little booklet and it tells you all about the products, and also it lets you know about any upcoming products that are coming onto the Look Fantastic website, because it is a retail website. It sells lots of hair and beauty and skincare and makeup and everything like that. It also shows you a sneak peek for the following month. So if you don't want to see it, then look away now, but I'll just show you. So for June, that is what we are getting. I love this brand. I really love it. So as I go through the products, I'll refer to that booklet. And then we have an Elle magazine, which is free. Now this would cost £4.40. So we're basically getting an Elle monthly subscription for free as well. So now I like that touch, I like that. And this is how it's all packaged. So I'll show you first. Look, can you see there? So there's our items. So I'll put them down by the side of me. So I'll pick up an item, have a little look, show you, and then we'll have a read in this booklet. So this is Look Fantastic's May's edition, and they say that it's all about adding a bold splash of vibrancy to your beauty collection. So you selected 6 products bursting with character and ingredients to prepare you for the summer season. Okay. This item is Teeth White Strips by Spotlight. Love Your Smile. Contains 8 strips, 4 upper and 4 lower. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've never ever tried anything like this before. So I love it when we have quite unusual things in our beauty boxes. So I'm assuming this might be like a sample, because 4 is not a lot really, is it? Unless they are amazing. And you can get completely white teeth in 4 days or whatever, 4 tries. Maybe you do it once a month. Oh, I'll just shut up talking. Hold on, I'll find out when I read now. So, they come in little sachets like this. I love this little box. It's quite cute, isn't it? Really nice box. Leave it on your teeth for 1 hour. 1 hour express. Oh, I'm going to have to do that, aren't I? I'm going to have to do a video. My teeth aren't the greatest, they are not, so they could do with some whitening. So the information in the booklet says that these best-selling whitening strips have been specially formulated by dentists and are clinically proven to safely whiten your teeth with minimal tough sensitivity. The easy-to-use strip sits comfortably and perfectly to the contour of your teeth, whilst the hydrogen peroxide breaks down any complex external stains, penetrating the top layer of the enamel to reveal a natural pearly white smile. Place the shorter whitening tips on the dry lower teeth first, and then the longer strip on the dry top teeth. Leave the strips in place for an hour, remove the strips and rinse away any residual gel. It doesn't say how often you should do it, and it doesn't say whether 4 is enough, but I'd be really interested to take a look to find out what information I can have on this. And yeah, I'm really excited. So no, I love my first product. Yeah. So my next item, it's Sleek Makeup, and it's a face contour kit. Press contouring powder and highlighter in one, and it's in shade medium. Ooh, I wonder what these colours are like. It contains a little leaflet here telling you what to do and where to apply, which is handy. Oh, I like that. I love the sleek packaging. It is really, really smart. You can just about see the Sleek logo on there. Oh, nice, 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 nice. So it's a mirror that I'm covering up, and I'll just do a little swatch. There you go. The contour is a little bit warm. That's more like a bronzer for me. I think it's because it's so pale, but I will give it a try. I think it's a really nice colour, but actually for a contour it's just a little bit too warm for me. But I love this highlighter. It's like a champagne colour, and I'll definitely give that a try. So what's it say in the booklet? This gorgeous duo compact is perfect for contouring cheekbones and adding shimmer to illuminate your face and create a flawless finish to your makeup. To achieve great cheek definition, apply the contour powder using a small contour brush. Start from the ear, moving gently towards the direction of your mouth, building definition as desired and blending as you go to ensure all lines are soft. Then apply the highlighter lightly to the apples of the cheeks for defined and sculpted cheekbones. No, quite happy with that. We've got a bubble sheet mask. The reason why I'm laughing is because I think I've done 2 on my channel. I think I've done 2 bubble masks now, and they are hysterical, absolutely hysterical. My first one, oh my god, it was a nightmare. My neighbour knocked on the door, and my children are always told not to open the door without an adult being there, and yeah, so my kids couldn't answer the door because that's what they're told, and yeah, so I had to answer the door, and I scared the hell out of her and my son as well. Oh, long story, but it is so funny, but yeah, just typical me, typical it had to happen. So yeah, so I'm really excited to try this Oxygen Cleanse. So I haven't tried this before, and it's a purifying bubble face mask sheet made from activated charcoal, and it's by Skin Republic. That's what that's exact there. So the information in the booklet says, rejuvenate your complexion with an innovative treatment to dissolve impurities and stimulate cellular renewal. When applied, the sheet mask creates a foaming effect when exposed to air that delivers a deep cleanse that unclogs pores and eliminates dirt. A selection of fruit-derived acids work to gently exfoliate the surface layer of skin, while charcoal is renowned for its detoxifying properties. Cleanse skin, rub sachet for a few seconds to activate bubbles, tear open sachet and remove mask from packaging. Unfold and place onto face for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll see the mask begin to bubble and foam. Remove the mask and rinse off any excess with water. So, no, have to try that. Next item, something quite small. What is this? Avant Skincare. It's a Rnai Radical Fumus Anti-Aging Serum, and this is a 5ml, so this is a little sample there. Let's open it. I do love trying serums. Some serums I've had tend to be quite thick and they don't absorb well into my skin, so I like a nice light serum but really packs a punch as far as anti-aging and firmness and all that goes, and hydrating obviously. Oh, it smells gorgeous, like a fresh cucumber smell. I just love that type of smell. No, it's nice. So what does the information say? So harnessing the potent power of Rnai, arginin's antioxidant properties to give your skin some well-deserved TLC. The lightweight serum helps your skin radically combat signs of aging, from wrinkles to sagging skin and even brown spots. The formula leaves skin visibly firmer and healthier. Add a few drops of serum to damp skin after cleansing. Press serum into skin with an open palm instead of fingertips to release active ingredients. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to allow serum to fully absorb before moisturising. So ooh, even though it's super tiny, I am really looking forward to trying it. As I said, I do quite like serum, so nope. Oh, I've had this loads of times. It seems to be a sub box favourite, and I'm sure I've had it in Look Fantastic before, unless it was with the advent calendar that I had. But yeah, it's by This Works, and it's in transit camera close-up, and it's a mask, moisturiser and primer in one. Now it is a really, really lovely product. I do like it. So this is a 20ml product. So it says, get ready for your close-up, a travel size gem that evens, plumps and brightens your skin. This product is a mask, moisturiser and primer all in one. It contains a powerful blend of repairing plant oils as well as a boost of caffeine to erase signs of fatigue, making your skin look radiant. Apply to clean skin, including eye area, and massage gently until absorbed. Quite handy to have, and something I might actually take with me when I go on my trip to Italy in a couple of weeks' time. We'll see. I'm trying to downgrade my beauty bag. I don't want to bring a massive bag with me because I've only got to carry on. So never mind. So my last item, it's a liquid eyeliner, and it's by Ico London. And it says it's just an Ico liquid eyeliner, so that's what the packaging looks like. Now we've had quite a few liquid eyeliners in different sub boxes, and I wear it all the time, not today, but I generally have wings on, and I am quite fussy with my eyeliners. I've got to be honest, I am quite fussy, but no, that tip looks quite nice. So let's see what it's like on my hand. Oh yeah, it draws a really nice fine line and a thick, and this seems to be a lot, yes, there's a lot of product on my hand, which I like, because a lot of pens I have tried seem to dry out really quickly. You can see it is bleeding a little bit into my hands. I'm not sure how that would be on my eyes. It's not too bad. I did put quite a lot on there, but no, considering it was still quite wet, yeah, there is a bit of a mess. But it's not too bad. I'm interested to see what it is like on my eyes. So the information booklet says that this is a I Do liquid eyeliner, and it's a black liquid eyeliner with a tapered precision tip. This waterproof eyeliner glides effortlessly across the eyes in one simple sweep, allowing you to create subtle, thin lines or dramatic cat eyes. Expect professional controlled application and superior colour payoff that even Alexa Chung raves about. Dot along the upper lid to build up the perfect cat eye. And it says, for a smoky eye, blend out the liner with an eyeshadow brush while still wet. So no, so those are the 6 items, so I'm just going to gather them all up together. So there you go. I can't tell you the overall price because it doesn't tell me in the booklet, but as I said at the beginning, I will seek these out and I'll link them down below, and I'll give you just more background information if you're curious to see how much this box would come to if you were to buy everything individually. I think we have got quite a good box this month. There's some exciting things to try. Really excited to try these teeth whitening strips. I always love a bubble mask. I always love it. And the contour, it looks quite nice as well. I haven't tried that before. The pen seems promising, and I know I love this because I've had that a few times, and out of everything that's the only item that I've ever had before. The serum felt lovely going on my skin, so no, I'm quite chuffed actually, really chuffed. I think we've got a good mix of items there. Definitely. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, as always, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more beauty reviews, unboxing videos, etc, etc. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.